In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player on Call of Duty Black Ops 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Much like all the other Call of Duty titles, Black Ops 3 offers split-screen play. So you will be able to do split screen and do a variety of modes together. So you will be able to do multiplayer, zombies, you can create a local offline match if you don't want to play with other random people online, and all that you have to do to set up your match is first connect the additional controller to your platform. So regardless of where you are playing, you will be able to connect an additional controller through a cable or wirelessly. You won't be able to access split screen and set it up once the controller has been detected by your platform. So to connect the controller, like I mentioned, do it wired or wirelessly. And if you are doing this process on a console, usually there will be a prompt where you need to assign a user account to that controller. If needed, do this properly, as assigning a user account is going to allow you to go into online matches split screen. You can either assign a guest account or create a full user for your friend or whoever is going to be doing split screen with you. Once the controller has a user account properly assigned, go back inside of the game and join a lobby. And usually at the top right corner of the screen, you will see this message, add a controller for split screen. Now, if the controller that you added to your console was properly detected, this message is going to change to something like press this button for split screen. So all that you have to do is press the respective button. This is going to work for multiplayer, offline sessions, so a local game, or even zombies. So all that you have to do is press the respective button. Upon playing, you can go ahead and start a match. So you can play locally, online, or zombies, whatever you prefer, and split screen is going to get initialized right away. If you are having trouble setting this up, double check the user account, as most times it's because you didn't choose a guest account or a properly created user account, so split screen doesn't load. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player on Call of Duty Black Ops 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.